Hey you guys, so as you all know, today is a free credit day for using Lovable in the account of Women's Day, and today I'm trying to build a website for, especially for product managers. So I've taken a use case wherein working as a product manager, I kind of had a lot of work in creating a PRD, taking from the business stakeholders and then converting it a PRD to people for me to explain to other teams. So what usually happens is when I used to create a PRD, I used to take one PRD and explain that to all the other teams. For example, technical team, the engineering team, then marketing team, then design team, the same PRD. But what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to design a website where we can uh, make a PRD out of the business requirements that is given from the business stakeholders. They put all in, and then we convert that into a PRD, but not just one, but according to three PRDs. That is basically for one for engineering team, one for the design team, and one for the marketing team. Let's see how that goes. Quite skeptical if AI will be able to do the job that I need. What I have done is so prompt generation is also a thing. So what I have done is I've gone to Claude, typed whatever my requirements are, and then generated a specific detailed prompt and copy pasted that to Lovable. Let's see if it actually does the work. I'm excited. Are you? Let's see. Okay, so it has generated. The website name is Nexus PRD. Let us see if it has actually done. Business stakeholder input, stakeholder requirement. Okay, it's just the first page is about all the introduction and stuff, how it works, requirement intake, PRD analysis, document generation, and roadmap distribution. Yes, exactly what I need as features in the PRDs. So everything you need, okay, smart PRD analysis, GTM, playbook generation, great. That is for the marketing team, engineering team, and there are specific cards: engineering team, design team, marketing team, then unified product roadmap. Keep all teams synchronized with a single source of truth. Okay, great. Tailored for every team, end-to-end process, PRD, parallel generation roadmap. Great. Okay, so okay, let's go and start building for free. Ready to transform? Let us start building. Let's see how it works. Okay, start building for free. Now I have, okay, okay, it's evaluating the full user flow topology. Let me test it. Okay, let's see how it works. So right now, Lovable is doing its thing. It's actively working on the PRD. Behind the scenes, there are multiple processes running, all coming together to build out a website. It's actually pretty interesting to watch how everything unfolds. All right. Now the PRD has been generated and I've been prompted to fill out a requirements document. So here's the dashboard, and as you can see, it's divided into three key PRDs: engineering, design, and marketing. Initially, the output wasn't as detailed as I wanted. I was looking for something more comprehensive, something the teams could actually use without going back and forth. So what I did next was go to Claude and generated a more structured, in-depth PRD prompt. Then I simply took that response and pasted it back here to refine and enhance the PRD for the engineering, design, and marketing teams. Now, as you can see, it has actually created another version of the website, this time much more detailed and structured. We are talking about clearly defined user pain points, primary personas, and a much deeper requirements document. This makes it way easier to communicate the vision across teams. At this stage, it asked me to fill in a few key fields like technical constraints, broke down step by step, and finally, in step 4, I added stakeholder details like name, role, and responsibilities.
Then later I clicked on submit. Once that was done, the PRD was generated, and honestly, this is where it gets impressive. The PRD is extremely detailed. It covers objectives, KPIs, and even lays out a very clear product roadmap. The username personas are well defined, and everything feels structured and ready to execute. What I really liked is that it includes acceptance criteria tailored for each team, engineering, design, and marketing. So there's no ambiguity. Everyone knows exactly what they are responsible for. It also includes launch timelines, and the marketing section is fully fleshed out, which is super helpful. Now let's look at the product roadmap. It presents everything in a structured calendar like format. Each card represents a phase like discovery, backlog, or development, and inside each one, you get detailed tasks and context on what needs to be done. And the best part, you can easily export this as a PDF, download it, and share it with your teams. Makes collaboration and execution a lot smoother. And that's how you can go from a simple idea to a fully structured PRD with clear roadmaps, aligned teams, and zero confusion using Lovable. If you're someone building products, this kind of workflow can save you hours and honestly make you look 10 times more organized. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. I'll be breaking down more AI powered product workflows like this, so you don't want to miss it.